EZG Manufacturing has been making equipment for the masonry, fencing, and other specialized industries since we were founded in 1998. Today, we are a state-of-the-art custom fabrication design shop that can handle virtually any fabrication process. Hello, my name is Kenny Jackson, and I've been with EZG Manufacturing for 22 years, and I'm the sales manager for the contract manufacturing. EZG Manufacturing is a built-to-print manufacturing shop equipped to handle complex metal fabrication across a wide range of applications. We are a 180,000 square foot of facility here, so that means we actually have the room to put your product under roof if you're not quite ready for it. So one thing that definitely helps us on the larger projects is we have a gantry crane that goes the whole length of our shop. These bigger projects where some people are having to flip and rotate them with forklifts, we're able to do it with our cranes a lot safer and a lot more efficient. And we have multiple vertical machining centers that help mill, drill, tap, and machine complex metal parts. A Cincinnati brake press enabling us to precisely bend and form sheet metal. A flex CNC machine with a 40-foot table allowing for long, oversized parts in a single setup. And we also have multiple Trump lasers that enable us to cut metal with very high precision, speed, and edge quality. A robotic welder that enables us to produce consistent, high-quality welds at higher speed and volume. And we have a wet coat paint booth that is 20 feet wide, 12 feet high, and 47 feet long. Along with our machines, we also have welders that are skilled in MIG and TIG that are able to fabricate, assemble, and finish welded components across a wide range of materials, thickness, and quality requirements. We can handle most metal processes in a variety of materials, including carbon, Hastelloy, aluminum, plastics, and steel, and other specialty metals by rolling, forming, and creating any type of sheet metal configuration our clients may require.
Well, first off, we have an aggressive team that strives to hit due dates. That's our #1 goal, along with quality. I think the biggest strength is just the turnkey product. You can give us a piece of paper, and within 3 to 4 weeks, we can have you a full turnkey job completed, from laser to machining to brake press to saw. Our fab team's top notch. We have years of experience with that. Weld, we're D1.1 certified. We can handle pretty much any project you put in front of us to a painted product at the end for no rusting on the way there.
We have engineers that have been with the company for over 15 years. They have a lot of hands-on experience with previous jobs. I think our biggest strength is our flexibility to work with customer supplied prints. We can work with everything from 2D drawings all the way down to just hand sketches.
So our engineering team is good at taking a design and figuring out a little bit better way to make it. Because we were born from being an OEM manufacturer, we know what it takes to quickly and efficiently build equipment. So we can take the same concept and apply it to our contract manufacturing customers and give them suggestions on how, what the most efficient way to build certain products are. So because we're a one-stop shop, all of our teams are working together within the same facility. So if there's a problem between fabrication and weld or weld to paint, all of those issues get solved internally and don't have to be dealt with by our customers. So we can eliminate a lot of the headache because we have everything in one place to do an entire project for a customer.
When it comes to quality, what we need from our vendors is to make the right part, the right time, the first time. It all matches together, it all fits together in the first try. That saves money and cost on setup times, build times, re-engineering times, and any repair times. So if they can make it right the first time, that eliminates all those costs, and it helps us in the long run, and we all make money. I totally recommend EZG. They're very good at what they do. They do precise work. They're very proud of what they do, and we are excited to work with and build with them for the future.
If you are looking for a reliable manufacturing partner who can take your project from concept to finished product, we are ready to help. Give us a call today or go to our website at ezgmfg.com.